Welcome to lesson 13 of the One Tao Kung Fu State Training course. Now, in this one we're going to be doing a couple of exercises so that you can get a feeling for the sinking, the moving energy. Now, it's not only an energy that, sorry, we'll come together, maybe back over here, Mel, for us. It's not only the sinking of it, it also moves as well. So the first way we're going to work with it is actually moving it forward, so out the arms. So if you think about it, when Mel or John are sinking the energy down through the body, it goes down through the arms, right? So if Jono puts his arms up and he's sinking it down through the arms, but he, in this position here, he's sinking it towards me. So there's a moving of it towards my center. So what Jono's going to do first, and if you've got a partner at home, they can do this with you so you can feel. And you just want to apply gentle pressure because you're trying to feel the subtle differences. You know, the energy body is also called the subtle body for a reason, because it is subtle. So, and as you get better at it, you'll feel it more powerfully anyway. So first, he's going to just sink through his arms and project the energy like water flowing out through his arms onto my center, like there's water gushing out his arms at me. And then as I put pressure on him, as I put pressure on him, I straight away feel like there's like something coming back towards me, like it's a pressure coming back at me. You know, and then from here, as I maintain that pressure, I still feel it coming at me. Now what he's going to do, he's not going to project and move the energy at me anymore. He's just going to feel the space he occupies. So go back to the sensing energy. So now as he senses, and I put pressure, I feel that the pressure goes into his body now. It doesn't come back towards me. And then he aims it back towards me again, so he puts the intention coming out and shooting towards me. Yeah, and straight away I feel it coming back at me again. Did you feel the difference?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. What did you feel?
Yeah. So the other one, where it was coming back into me, I felt like I was kind of a spring absorbing it. But the one where it was flowing out, I didn't feel that sensation as much.
Got it. Yeah, that's exactly how it feels. It's like, like an absorption with the sensing energy, and like a rebounding with the moving energy, or sinking. Now, did you want to go with that one?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. So first, Mel projects and aims her energy out towards me. And if you're, sorry for a second, if you haven't got anyone to practice with at home, what you can do is you can once again do it with the wall. So just put a gentle pressure on the wall and just feel your body and feel how it feels. And you're just putting like a gentle push on the wall, and then aim the energy forward towards the wall and push on, and then feel the difference in your own body. I feel like less is coming back into my space because there's like an internal projection to rebound it back. So you can use a wall if you don't have anyone that can play with you, or you know, train with you. But just try and find someone that you can convince to come and train with you, or just get your mum or your grandma or something to do it. So, or train your dog, I don't know. Okay, so shooting that energy out through the arms all the way through here
Just
towards
visualizing
me. Feel it, so like the sinking energy, the same feeling. If you want to visualize, you can, but you just want to have that, good. Feel how there's like a pressure at the contact points coming back towards me. Can you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Good? Yeah, yes, like this. Yeah. And now, keep the same positions, but just feel. Keep the same positions, but just feel. Yeah. See how it comes into your space now. Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you feel?
I felt like I was moving, like it was just very slightly moving the first option, and then the second one felt like I wasn't moving as much, like it was.
So wait, with the moving energy you did first, and the second one you did feeling.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Okay, and the next exercise that we're going to work on is, so we've done, moving energy from a guard position, which you can do from a boxer's guard or any type of guard you please. We're going to now do it with moving the arms and sinking and not sinking. So I'll borrow both Mel and Jono if you put your arms out here, like this. So if you have a partner, you can just do it with one person. Maybe I'll start with Mel actually. If you have a partner, you get them to rest their hand on you. Now, what they're going to do is they're just going to, firstly not concentrate at all. They're just going to think about something else. Chicken, trees, bananas, oranges. I'm going to move my hand away and just see what happens. As she's resting on me, I just move my hand away. But now she's going to, we're adding a bit of centering in this so that the spine's away, because she's going to center herself and start to sink and release down. So start to let go, relax, I start to feel a heaviness. And now as I move, as she continues to sink, see how she's now automatically like stuck to me. There's like a stuckness, yeah? And it feels like there's like a sliding stickiness at the contact. If you don't have someone you can practice with at home, you can do it like on a table or something. So imagine Jono's a table. You can put your hand here and tense up a bit and move and feel how it's tense, see how it moves, and then you can start to sink and relax into the body and sink the chi as you move and feel how there's like a stickiness. When you sink, it's like your body starts to mold to the object it's connected to. So now Mel can even just tense up, so like just tense her muscles up as I move and just feel how it's very easy to just move away and doesn't stay with me. And now she centers, sinks down and relaxes, and it sticks towards me. Very simple, easy. Sticks wherever I go, which is what you're looking to do, is you're looking to maintain. Thank you. From a combat perspective, the sinking and the sticking allows you, when you come in, to stick to an opponent. So when you stick to an opponent, you can start to really control the contact points. So I've got control here, but also start to manipulate their balance so that it makes it easier then to strike and hit through from sticking to them. Yeah? So the sinking energy has that context in combat, in the martial side, that you can stick to the opponent, nullify the attacks from their limbs, and be able to hit through at the same time. Cool. Do you guys have any, or do you have any observations from that exercise?
Yeah, I just felt really relaxed. Like, and it was effortless. Like I didn't have to do anything other than
Yes.
the sinking energy. Like,
Yes,
yeah.
and that's a good observation. You know, it is very relaxing and very easy. It's very simple. So she centers and sinks. Now, of course, this is only one component because the problem is that I can also hit her. So she would, moving forward, when you start to put the whole state on, she'd need to start seeing and projecting into my center so that she starts to actually connect her arm towards me. So if you aim this towards me, look in towards me. Yeah, now there's something stopping this, like a pressure that's stopping me at the contact point. But we'll get into that later. Like, I mean, you're not going to only use sinking alone because you might get hit. Okay, good. Any other observations or comments?
Yeah. When you're on me, it kind of felt like you were a very large, heavy chain, and you were just hanging on me. And so whenever I moved, that chain sort of moved with me. It was like really heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny that because for him it feels heavy like a chain, but I feel so light. Yeah, I feel really light, but I know for you it's a struggle.
Like I can't get away from the chain because it's just
stuck. Yeah. It's a sticky chain. On another note, I liked, you said at one point, whether it was earlier today, you're talking about golden lava.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, it feels just, yeah.
I forgot to mention it. I've never thought of it in lava as the sinking energy.
It's slow, but it's like gold. And
It's actually a fucking really good one. I'm going to play with that. Anyway, if you have any questions, observations, or comments, please put them below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.